Hi guys, welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade food that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. And welcome to my batch bake. So we're moving into some batch baking for anybody that is in the house, got your kids at home, or just wants to do something a bit different, and it's all freezable. So everything that you make can be put in the freezer. So we are making blueberry muffins today. Now, if you can't get blueberries, the reason I've chosen this recipe is you can literally change the blueberries up to anything else, or you can leave them out altogether, or you could add in some Nutella and put a spoonful of that in the mix. It's a basic, easy mix. So once you know the mix, whatever you've got, if you've got something like a punnet of raspberries that you think are going off, then you can put them in, you know, so you can, or chop up some apple and put them in. It's really simple, okay? So let's get going. What you're going to do is I'm going to tell you in cups, but obviously you can get it on grams on my website and it'll be on there as well. So we are going to start with half a cup of butter or margarine. I just use stork margarine for this, just because I happen to have it in. It lasts a long time. It's quite soft, so it's good for sort of creaming with sugar. We just got it off there. Right, half a cup of that. We're using 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Whoop. Right, I'm just going to judge that since that happened. So that's half a cup, and I'll give it a little bit more, and I'll say that's 3/4 since I dropped some in. Okay, 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Then you're just creaming your sugar and your butter together. You can use an electric whisk, which makes it quicker, or you can just do it by hand. But you're just doing it enough till the sugar is mixed in with the butter. Let's go. Okay, as simple as that, butter and sugar. Next, you are going to add in your eggs, 3 eggs. So in they go. And then you're going to add in your vanilla essence. So if you've got any vanilla essence, you can put it in. Okay, and this is a really good, like I say, basic recipe that you can mix it up. You can put all different things in it. You can make it sweet, you can add a bit of savoury to it. It really just depends on you. Right, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. In it goes. And we're going to give it one more mix before we put the flour in. Okay, it's all mixed. Let's get our flour. So we want 1.25 cups. So that's my big cup. This is my 1/4 cup. Went up my nose. Right, guys, what you want to do is fold it in. And the reason you want to fold it in before you mix it again is if not, it's going to go everywhere, okay? So if you've got an electric whisk, give it a bit of a fold in first. Okay, get it all over your fingers. Right, one more whisk and let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, that's perfect. That's the consistency that you want. Let me do a quick clean up and we'll get ready to fill our muffin cases, okay? Okay guys, we've got our muffin tins ready. I've just used these little muffin cases and put them in the tin of 12. Next, I'm going to put my punnet of blueberries in. It's about 1 cup of blueberries or a little punnet, and you just want to mix it just gently around, okay? Just a really small mix. You don't want it to all break up. And then the best thing that you can do is top tip, use your ice cream scoop and take a scoop and put it in each muffin. My blueberry muffins are huge. I'm going to bring them around and let you see them. Look at them. They look amazing. All you need to do now, let them cool. These are nice and cool. They're ready to go. I have labelled my bag. Blueberry muffins. You can put the date in it as well. Then you just want to lay them in like this. Okay? So sort of flat with sort of face up. Now, we probably won't get all 12 in this bag because it's quite a small bag. We'll maybe leave 4 for my kids when they're in. Okay, so there you go. You want to put it in the freezer, just like that. Once it's hard, you can stack stuff on top of them, and you're just going in and taking each one out as you need it. Anybody on a diet? quite a good way to stop you eating them all at once as well. Thank you for watching my blueberry muffin video. Remember, you'll get the recipe online and you can get my book in the shops. Take care guys, bye!